share with you a recipe, super easy recipe, but absolutely delicious way to make sausage out of deer, beef, antelope, deer, elk, whatever you want. Super easy. You need some curing salt, some liquid smoke. I like the black peppercorn, garlic powder, not salt, yellow mustard seed, onion powder, and 5 pounds of grind. This is deer. There's not anything added to it, no fats, no pork, no nothing, just deer. I don't know if it's necessary to dehydrate this, but I did just to maybe keep it fresh and keep it from going bad while the sausage is sitting in the fridge or whatever. But this is a dehydrated batch of jalapeno. So this is 4 jalapenos, which they look a lot bigger when I bought them, but hopefully this is enough to give it some kind of flavor. I'm kind of thinking that this is not enough, and I might have to next time do more jalapenos. So start with 2 cups of water, cold water. You put your grind in. This is 5 pounds of it. And jerky and stuff like that. A lot of people like to use their older meat. But we eat a lot of this, so we go through it pretty fast. So we need several deer a year just to survive. And you can use beef, anything like that, but when I cook stuff, I prefer to use stuff that I got, just because I know exactly how it was handled and what's in it. And you don't find the elusive fingernail in your burger. The salt last, just so it doesn't get super salty. Get everything else in there, and then put the salt in, and then mix it all up, so it doesn't get one area super salty. Probably overthinking it. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Remember, powder, not salt. It's very important. I think it wouldn't matter, but I tried it one time and trust me, it matters. Same thing, half teaspoon of onion powder, not salt. Half teaspoon of mustard seed. 5 teaspoons of liquid smoke. So peppercorns, the original recipe for this, both whole peppercorns, which you can do, and you can just throw them in there. What I like to do, wax paper, put 3 tablespoons whole peppercorns. If you like it a little peppery, a little more. Good. That'll open up a lot of that flavor. It's got to be tender quick, curing salt. 6 tablespoons. Polygram and Associates. Chop little pieces. If anybody knows where I can buy dehydrated jalapenos, let me know. There's a safe way you can find them. It's probably Amazon. It's probably pretty expensive though too. This cost 70 cents. That's probably good enough. Alright, mix it up. Probably takes a few minutes, but it'll start to get really sticky, and that's how you know the salt is kind of soaking in.